Now in this problem they have given us that if px is x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d all belongs to any real value, and they have given us some values such as p0 is 4, p1 is 6, p2 is 8, p3 is 10, and they have asked to find out the value of p4. Okay, now the common mistake that people used to do is they used to see this values and they predict that the value of p4 will be 12. Okay, now this is basically a recipe for disaster. Never ever do this sum by this method, because this doesn't happen. Okay, number one. Number two, now whenever the students see this problem, what they used to do, they used to put those values in the given equation and they solve the simultaneous equations to get the value of a, b, c and d, and then put the value of 4 in place of x to get the value of p4. Now it's okay, maybe you will get your answer, but it will take a long time to solve this problem. Okay, so I will never do this problem by that method. Okay, now so how to do this sum? You observe one thing, that px, I'm writing it as 2x plus 4. Here x takes the value only 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now observe carefully. If I put x equals to 0, we are going to get the value of p0 as 4, which satisfies the given condition. If I put x equals to 1 here, we are going to get 6. Again, it is satisfying the second condition. Put x equals to 2, so we are getting 8. It is satisfying the third condition. And if you put 3, you are going to get 10. Again, it is satisfying this condition. Okay, but this is only true when x takes the values 0, 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, because I don't know if I put x equals to 4 whether this thing will give you the value as I told you 12 or not, because that is the value exactly what we are going to find out. Okay, now let me write a function, say fx, which is nothing but your px minus 2x minus 4. Is it clear? Now if you observe, you will find that px is basically a biquadratic equation. Okay, it's a biquadratic expression, I should say. So if px is a biquadratic expression, definitely your fx will have to be a biquadratic expression. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now if I put in place of, in this function, if I put x equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3, every time you are getting the value f0 as 0, f1 as 0, f2 as 0 and f3 as 0. Yes or no? Therefore we can say that fx equals to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Is it clear? Now if fx is this function, then it satisfies all the condition that is given here. Is it clear? Because if f0 is 0, then x equals to 0 is one root of this expression. Okay, if I put x equals to 1, so f1 is coming to 0, so we will say that x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. Similarly, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Is it clear? Therefore we can write px is nothing but fx plus 2x plus 4. Is it clear? Let me replace the value of fx, the expression, the function fx, as x into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus 2x plus 4. Now we have to find out the value of p4. So I am putting 4 in place of x. So we are getting 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 4. Answer comes to 24 plus 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 36. Is it clear? Therefore, the value of P4 is nothing but 36. Have you understood this problem? Okay.